We're going to do a points replacement on this 1942 Harley WLC. The owner of the bike bought a new points kit, a condenser, and a new distributor band. So I'm going to put that on here today. We'll take the condenser off first. Give that plate a little cleaning. New spring in there. Looks like our condenser's a little bit different. I'm going to have to drill the hole in the mount. It's a little closer. I'll leave these points gapped loose until we get it on the bike to set them up. So now I'm going to spin that. I hooked up the coil to a 6-volt battery at the ground to the frame, and I wired in a spark plug. Now that I got the coil on, I thought maybe I'll see if I can get some spark. I put a new Poinson condenser inside, and I gapped it to 20 thou. The timing isn't probably right on, so I'll have to adjust that. And there's a spark plug I just got laying on there so you can see the spark. I took the plugs out to make it easier to kick over, and let's see if we can get some spark. We're getting 2 sparks per revolution, so it looks like the Poinson condenser are working properly. I removed the spark plugs just to make it easier to whirl over. So next, I guess we'll work on a little more wiring, and we're waiting for a couple of brackets, so that's another job done.